Okay, now let's start the events of sexual reproduction. There are three events in sexual reproduction. The first one is pre-fertilization event, the next one is fertilization, and the last one is post-fertilization event. And before going in details, let's describe these three events at first in very briefly. In pre-fertilization event, there is two more incidents. The first one is the formation of male and female gamete. This is also known as gametogenesis. And the next one is the transfer of this male and female gamete. In fertilization, this male and female gamete are fused and form the zygote. And in post-fertilization event, this zygote matures and finally give rise to a new organism. So these are very brief summary about the three events of sexual reproduction. And now let's start the pre-fertilization event in details. In case of pre-fertilization event, we told earlier there is two incidents. The first one is gametogenesis and the next one is gamete transfer. In case of gametogenesis, this is the process of formation of male and female gamete. So at first we have to know how gamete is formed. You see, in case of human being, male and female starts to produce gamete around 12 to 14 years of age. And before this 12 to 14-year age, there is no gamete found inside the human body. Okay, so next question is where this gamete comes from in 12 to 14 years of age. Actually, in our body, there are some specialized cells that can produce gamete by cell division. I repeat again, some specialized cells present in our body that can divide and produce gamete. And these specialized cells that can produce gamete by cell division is commonly known as myocyte. So myocyte means the gamete producing cell present in parents is commonly known as myocyte. And in case of human being, spermatogonium is the male myocyte and oogonium is the female myocyte. Spermatogonium present inside the testis and it produces the female male gamete sperm, and oogonium present inside the ovary and it produces the female gamete ovum. Okay, so now it is clear that gamete is formed by cell division, and there is two type of cell division. One is mitosis and another one is meiosis. In case of diploid organism, they produce gamete by meiosis, and in case of haploid organism, they produce gamete by mitosis. So let's start the gametogenesis procedure in diploid organism. So before start, we have to know what is diploid organism. You see, this is a cell, and in this cell, this is the nucleus, and outside the nucleus, this is the cytoplasm. Okay, now inside the nucleus, you can see there is 8 number of chromosomes, and these 8 chromosomes occur in pair. There are total 4 pair. So this is 4 pair. This is a pair, this is another pair, this is another pair, and this is the last pair. So when the chromosome occur in pair, this is known as diploid condition and it is expressed as 2n. So the total number of chromosome is here 8. So this is 2n equal to 8 condition. In case of human being, our cell contain 46 chromosomes. You can take a cell from your liver, your lungs, your finger, everywhere. But each cell of human being contain 46 chromosomes. And this 46 chromosome occur in pair. Total 23 pair. So we are also diploid organism, and in case of human being it is 2n equal to 46 condition. And here we will take less number of chromosome to explain the topic easily. If we take here 46 chromosome, then it will be difficult for us to understand this topic easily. Okay. Now we have to know about cell division, because we know gametes are formed by cell division. So this is a cell, this is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus there is 4 chromosome, and this 4 chromosome occur in 2 pair. So this is 2n equal to 4 condition. And outside the nucleus, this is the cytoplasm, and we know inside the cytoplasm different cell organelles are present, like ribosome, lysosome, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. But to explain this topic easily, we will only take a mitochondria, and this mitochondria will represent the whole cell organelle. Okay, so before dividing, this cell at first replicates its nucleus and replicates its cell organelle. I repeat again, before dividing, this cell replicates its nucleus and replicates its cell organelle. So here, from this nucleus it replicates this nucleus, and from this cell organelle it replicates its cell organelle. And now a cell division, cell plate formation occur, and finally it divides and gives rise to two new daughter cells. And now let's look at the summary. We have started from this cell. This cell have 4 chromosomes that occur in 2 pair. This is 2n equal to 4 condition. And now this nucleus replicate, and now this cell organelle also replicate. And you see, after replication, it cell plate formation occur, and finally it gives rise to 2 new daughter cells. And now see that 2 new daughter cells, each cell have 4 chromosomes. This cell have 4 chromosomes occurring 2 pair. This is 2n equal to 4 condition, and this cell also have 4 chromosomes, and this is 2n equal to 4 condition. So here the chromosome number remain constant from parents to the daughter cells. I repeat again, chromosome number become constant from parent to the daughter cells, and this type of cell division where chromosome number remain constant from parent to daughter cell is known as mitosis. You see, the parent cell have 4 chromosomes, and the newly synthesized daughter cells also have 4 chromosomes each, and this is known as mitosis. Okay, so we have learned about cell division and we have learned about diploid organism, and now we will come to our main topic. This is gametogenesis in diploid organism. So now take a female myocyte and take a male myocyte. This is the female organism and this is the male organism, and this is the female myocyte and this is the male myocyte. Myocyte means the parent cell that are capable to produce gamete by cell division. Means these two cells will undergo cell division. And you see here this nucleus have 4 chromosomes and this nucleus also have 4 chromosomes. They occur in 2 pairs. So this is 2n equal to 4 condition. And we will not take any cell organelle here to understand it easily. And now at first what happen? It will replicate its nucleus. And you see the newly synthesized nucleus have 4 chromosomes. In case of female myocyte or in case of male myocyte, the newly synthesized nucleus have 4 chromosomes. And now it will form the cell plate, and finally it will divide and give rise to the gamete cell. And you see this is the female gamete and this is the male gamete. So let's look at the summary. We have started from this myocyte. This is the female myocyte and this is the male myocyte. And now this is the newly formed female gamete and this is the newly formed male gamete. You see this female or male myocyte contains 4 chromosomes and they are occurring 2 pairs. So this is 2n equal to 4 condition. And the newly formed gametes also have 4 chromosomes and occur in 2 pairs. So this is also 2n equal to 4 condition. And now these two gametes, this female gamete and this male gamete, are fused and form the zygote. You see total number of chromosomes is here 4 and here also total number of chromosomes is 4. So 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So the newly formed zygote have 8 chromosomes and this is 4n condition. Why 4n? You see these 2 red chromosome and these 2 red chromosome sit together. So there are total 4 chromosomes here sit together. So this is 4n condition, and also this blue and this blue pair also sit together and also make a 4n condition. But now there is a problem. You see the parent organism, the parent cell is 2n equal to 4, means they have 4 chromosomes, but the newly synthesized zygote have 8 chromosomes, and it is not possible. Suppose in case of human being, we are also diploid organism, and in our body in each cell there is 46 chromosomes, and our parent body also contain 46 chromosomes in each, and our grandparent also contain 46 chromosomes in each of their cells. So chromosome number remain constant from generation after generation in diploid organism. But here you see the chromosome number become double. You see here the number of chromosomes is 4 and it become double equal to 8 in the zygote. So this is not possible. So now we have to find the mistake that we have done in here. Okay. Now let's the slide again. So as we know, in case of diploid organism, chromosome number remain constant generation after generation. So if the myocyte contain 4 chromosome, means the male, female and male myocyte contain 4 chromosome, then the zygote will also contain 4 chromosome, and we can't change anything from this side or in this side. So there is only one place left. This is the gamete, and we can change the chromosome number in ovum or sperm. Okay, now let's see. Okay. You see, if the ovum contain 2 chromosome and the sperm contain 2 chromosome, then this 2 and this 2 plus 2 equal to 4 chromosome fuse and form the zygote. And the problem is solved. You see, this chromosome, this blue chromosome and this blue chromosome comes together and make a pair, and this red chromosome and this red chromosome comes and make another pair. And this is 2n equal to 4 condition. The myocyte have 2n equal to 4 condition, and the zygote have also 2n equal to 4 condition. The problem is solved. But now focus on this point. The ovum contain 2 chromosome and the sperm also contain 2 chromosome. And you see the myocyte have 4 chromosome and they divide and give rise to this ovum, and by cell division this ovum have 2 chromosome. So these are type of cell division where the chromosome number become half. You see, myocyte contain 4 chromosome, and after cell division the newly formed ovum contain 2 chromosome. And in case of the male myocyte, here also there is 4 chromosome, and after division the newly formed sperm have 2 chromosome. Actually, look closer. From this blue pair only a blue chromosome came, and from this red pair a red chromosome came. That means from each pair only one chromosome came, and from this myocyte also, male myocyte, from this blue pair a blue chromosome came, and from this red pair also a red chromosome came. So from each pair only one chromosome selected. So this is a type of cell division where the chromosome number become half during cell division, and this is known as meiosis. I repeat again, you see this myocyte have 4 chromosome and the two newly formed ovum have 2 chromosome, means chromosome number become half. So this is a cell division where chromosome number become half, and this is known as meiosis. And in case of diploid organism, they produce gamete by meiosis cell division. Okay, so I think it is clear to you, and from the next class we will start the gametogenesis procedure in haploid organism.